IL Café. We have you covered.
Welcome to another episode of IL Café. My name is Sheetal, and today we're going to bring together two very interesting worlds, the world of healthcare and the world of technology. I'm sure you've heard about the sweeping changes in the healthcare industry in general, and of course, insurance within healthcare, brought on by things like digitization, by growing customer awareness. All of this is going to be the topic of conversation, and I'm not obviously the subject matter expert. I've decided to call that person on screen right now. That is Vivek Srivastav you're looking at, who's part of ICICI Lombard. And Vivek, thank you for joining us on IL Café. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Sheetal, and I'm really excited to be part of this show.
Yeah. And would I be right in saying that the two big drivers are, increased health awareness around the particular sector with wearables, etc., coming in? People are taking more cognizance of their own health, and B, technology and digitization. Are these the two key elements that are driven some of the changes we see in the sector?
Yeah, spot on, Sheetal. I think so. If you see the industry, it has been growing at a very good pace over the past few years. CAGR for past 1 decade is more than 20% in that sense. So it is growing like crazy. And post-COVID, the need of the insurance, the health has significantly gone up again. The technology is helping everyone, the insurance company, the customers, and also the channel partners. So I think you are bang on that aspect.
So how have you seen digitization and growing awareness influence the way insurance products are sold in the market today?
See, it is nothing short of any revolution, Sheetal. In past few years, the industry was predominantly driven by the channel partners. Customer used to do all the transaction physically. There were cover notes and all that stuff. Now both the insurance companies individually are now knowing the importance of the technology now. Right. So now what has happened over a period of time is, for example, first of all, if I have to talk about the new generations, which is the millennials, if I have to talk about, clearly all the surveys says that 30% of 25 to 34 years age group people, they are now buying online, right? So that's an emerging trend which is already there. More on that, now the technology is helping us to engage more with our channel partners also. So what exactly has happened is, now we have provided handheld devices also, and on desktops also, the apps by which the channel partners can easily sell products, do the payments on behalf of customers and all that stuff. So this is what is happening, and this has not only streamlines the entire process, but also results in more pocket-friendly premiums to the customers, and also advisors can go and suggest the right plans for the customers.
Now, the other area that I'm quite certain has been impacted a lot by digitization is customer experience. So help us understand this area, Vivek.
So again, it's a game changer for us, for sure. The digitization wave has significantly improved. The customer experience, if I have to talk about, the information is easily available. More importantly, the customer can now, as I said, issue policy, get all the experience with respect to his claims, with respect to his endorsements, renew his policy. Everything is just few clicks away. So that is what has changed drastically. But if I have to talk, the real game changer for us, I think, is the advancement of chatbot integration into our websites. The smart chatbots are powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning also. They do not just answer your question. They understand your unique need, and then they offer the personalized suggestions to each and every individual. They can be assisting for simpler tasks, even like filling up the proposal forms, doing the endorsements, and many more, right? And that way it becomes and makes the entire experience very, very smooth and user-friendly in that sense.
Absolutely. It's like almost having your own personal assistant who's doing all of these things for you in your own house,
yes,
right next to you without you having to see them at all. So that's what I think makes the process so much more seamless. I'm currently in the middle of that process myself, renewing my mother's insurance on IL Take Care as the app. So I know exactly what you're talking about, Vivek. But to move to the next question, right? Has there been any impact of these developments in the sector, in the health insurance industry specifically, In the area of underwriting, how has digitization helped insurers with better risk management? Help us understand that.
See, underwriting is the backbone of any insurance company. And now, over a period of time, we have seen the cases of frauds has gone up significantly high. And now, if I have to tell that technology is actually helping us a lot. It is now we are able to segregate the right customer or not so right customer in that sense. The challenge was you cannot penalize any honest customer for the wrongdoings of any other customer. Right. So that is where the digitization is helping us. Just like, for example, now there are wearable devices which are available in the country and people are using it very much. So insurers are actually getting data from those wearable devices. They are able to analyze the sleep patterns, the BMI rate, the heart rate, and many other vitals of any individual. And basis that, now we can actually suggest the right plans to the customer, and more importantly also plan or give him the right premiums also. So that is actually helping us a lot. So technology in many ways is helping the overall underwriting of any insurance company, and more specifically on health side.
And you brought up a very important aspect, right? Personalization. In fact, we are living in a hyper-personalized service world. Everything is tailored to exactly my particular set of requirements. And that's a great place for customers. This is a great time for customers indeed. I want to understand how data is being used by insurers to create these personalized and, tailor-made kind of product, bespoke, if I may use the word.
So see, personalization is today is the name of the game. This is the most important thing you can do, because every individual is totally different, right? So, and today with the help of technology, insurance can provide different plans, different add-on covers to any individual. So now with the help of technology, we are understanding the need. And for example, there are tailor-made products or add-on features can be provided to the customers. For example, now companies are providing or planning different plan for senior citizens. They are planning different plan for young citizens. They have some disease-specific plans, like a separate plan for dental or Alzheimer, or maybe someone is having a heart ailment. So separate products or features can be designed, or add-on covers can be given for any individual. And honestly speaking, technology is helping us a lot to design those products, to market those products, and to create that awareness of that product. And in such a competitive environment, I think they are very, very much required, because the needs of the customer are also evolving, and so as to companies has to keep on providing the newer products to the customers.
Absolutely. And with tools like AI and machine learning, those very, very, evolving kind of needs are being addressed almost near real time. Not real time just as yet, but almost there. But it's an interesting, sort of conversation to have had with you to figure out how digitization is ushering in this new area of accessibility. And there is precision, even customer friendliness in the health insurance sector. And thank you so much, Vivek, for joining us on IL Café today to help us understand these areas.
Thank you so much, Sital, I think. And I really love to be on this session. And thank you for calling me on IL Café. Thank you very much.
Thank you.